Well, well, well. Looks like the wind died down a little bit. We're just leaving. What time is it? 10 to 1. We're gonna go on a drop. Try for some more cod. I need some more fish. I do have a pot of soup though in the refrigerator. Cod chowder. But anyway, we're just leaving the creek now. Okay. Maureen, say hi.
Hi, guys.
Okay, all stay well. Hope we catch a few today. Bye-bye. This is Maureen, what's tomorrow? What holiday? Columbus Day? Oh yeah, Columbus Day weekend. Okay. Yeah, it's still breezy though. Okay, hopefully you don't have to read my lips. Bye.